I know what you're thinking. That's a horrible looking cloud, the dreaded hard edge. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this mistake. I hope you enjoy. First, I'll show you how to avoid hard edges, and then I'll show you how to fix them. I'm going to do a quick demonstration. First, I'm sketching out the scene. First, some mountains back there, and later on I'll include nice big fluffy clouds. I'm using Payne's Gray here for the foreground, and I'm painting this wet on dry for now. A little cobalt blue into that Payne's Gray now for mountains even further off in the distance. I've noticed that the further something is away, the more it takes on a bluish or purplish hue. Now a very light wash of violet for the mountain furthest off in the distance. Okay, so the first tip on avoiding hard edges is to paint wet in wet. That means the paper is wet before you apply wet paint over that. So I've wet the paper first, and now I'm applying a wash of cobalt and violet for the sky. And now some more Payne's Gray for some darker clouds. I'm trying to be careful not to bring in too much water here, because doing so will or can cause blooms or blossoms to occur, which we don't want either. That's kind of the opposite of hard edges. Paper towel can be used here to show a light coming through the clouds. And now more Payne's Gray and Violet for some really dark clouds up above. You'll notice we don't have any hard edges yet, and that's because the paper is still wet, causing the paint to look diffused when we apply it. But now I'm going to purposely create some hard edges so I can show you how to fix it. Okay, so now that the paper has dried, we now have a hard edge that needs fixing. So to fix this, I'm going to grab a flat brush and simply diffuse the hard edge by bringing in a little bit more water. Based on how dry the paint already is, you may need to apply more pressure to do this. But in this case, the paint has just begun to dry, so I don't really need to work too hard to diffuse that hard edge. This now becomes a balancing act between taking paint away and adding paint back in. I'm trying really hard to not have to add any more paint, so I'm being mindful of how much I'm actually taking away. And if you feel you have another lighter hard edge, paper towel is a great way to take care of that. So now I'm going through and fixing another hard edge up at the top using the same technique of diffusing the edge with water. And I've switched to a flat brush because that type of brush tends to hold less water, so there's less chance of getting a blossom or a cauliflower by using this type of brush. Now I'm going really wild here and just diffusing everything at this point. Well, I think by now you get the picture. Hope you try this out and comment below to let me know what worked out for you and what hasn't. And as always, thank you for watching. If you're enjoying these tutorials and would like to help me keep making them, please consider supporting my Patreon. You'll get early access to new tutorials and behind-the-scenes studio updates. The link is right down in the description below. Thank you for watching.